your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man Lawyers.
Alright, so I'm Moranbah Magistrates Court. It's about a 2-hour drive west of Mackay. I flew up to Mackay last night. Did the 2-hour drive from Mackay to Moranbah this morning. Client was charged with repeat drink driving. This was his third drink driving offence. He had two previous, one being .07 and the other being .01. They were outside of the last 5 years, but they were still there nonetheless. This time it was a lower reading, .053, and there was no other drink driving or drug driving the last 5 years. Further to that, he hadn't lost his licence for any other reason in the last 5 years, so that meant he was eligible to apply for a drink driving work licence. There's a number of eligibility criteria that you need to satisfy if you want to apply for a drink driving work licence, but basically, in summary, it's you've got to be low or mid-range, meaning a reading of .149 or below. You can't have lost your licence in the last 5 years. You must be the holder of an open Queensland licence. There's a few other things I won't go into now. My client satisfied all of those prerequisites, notwithstanding the two previous drink drivings he'd had outside of the last 5 years. And for that reason, he engaged me to apply for a work licence. Worst case for a low range, which so .053 is low range, with no previous in the last 5 years, is a 9-month loss of licence. Mandatory minimum is 1 month. So my job was A, one of getting the disqualification down as low as possible, and B, convincing the magistrate to order a work licence, allowing him to drive during that disqualification for work purposes only. He was self-employed, so I drafted about a 9-page affidavit up for him to sign, talking about his business's profit and loss, what he does for a living, family situation, you know, what happened the day in question, what he's learned from it, etc. Got him to get some character references based on a template we provide all our clients. Got him to do a reformatory course. Drafted the affidavits about a week ago, filed them with the court well in advance. As I said, I flew up to Mackay last night, drove to Moranbah this morning, met the client. We grabbed a conference room, if you can call it that. There's not really any conference rooms at Moranbah. It's about a 2-foot by 1-foot desk. Witnessed all the affidavits, filled out all the, completed all the paperwork, explained what was going to happen, the procedure, what he can expect me to say, what he can expect the police to say, what the magistrate's likely to say. So when he went to the courtroom, he knew exactly what was going to happen before it happened. I don't like clients going in there blind and seeing it all unfold for the first time. I like people to, have the confidence in knowing that things are going as I told them they would before we went in. As I said, went in the courtroom. The affidavits, we spent a lot of time and effort in getting the affidavits tight and comprehensive. So basically removing all the reasons to say no in the affidavit. So by the time the magistrates finish reading it, they're like, oh, well, I guess I'll give it to them then. It's quite a complex argument that you need to make that, I'm a 3-time drink driver, but you still should consider me a fit and proper person to be given another chance. You need to have your affidavits tight. You need to have addressed all of the potential traps that come up time and time again in the affidavits. We've been doing this for over a decade, and in that time we've seen it all, and we've built hazards into our affidavits, or we've built ways of dealing with hazards before they happen into those affidavits. As I said, by the time the magistrate reads the affidavit, there's really no reason to say no. Look, I'm prattling on a bit now. Long and short of it is, I was able to persuade the magistrate to grant the application. Given their profession, I was able to persuade the magistrate to give a 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week work licence. Given personal reasons, which I won't go into now, I was also able to persuade the magistrate to give the mandatory minimum 1 month disqualification. And again, for reasons that I won't get into now, I was also able to, notwithstanding the two previous convictions, persuade the magistrate not to record a conviction. So 1 month disqualification, 24-hour a day, 7-day a week work licence granted, no conviction recorded. Client's obviously very happy. I'm Andrew Wiseman at Moranbah Magistrates Court. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Andrew Wiseman from Wiseman Lawyers, Queensland's only truly dedicated drug, alcohol and traffic offence law firm. If you face loss of licence, loss of vehicle imprisonment or anything in between at any court in Queensland, we can and will help you today. This is our specialty. This is all we do. Give us a call, 1300 947 352. I look forward to helping you resolve your issue today.
Don't face that court alone. Let the wise man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing.